Okay, so another inequalities question, this time in terms of k's. Yeah, they are k's, okay? Oh, it's less than 0. So again, we're going to factorise. So we add to make 2 times to make minus 15. So we're going to use 3 and 5. So minus 3 plus 5. So we're going to end up with 5k squared minus 3k plus 5k minus 3. Factorising that then, we can only take out a k here, so we get 5k minus 3 plus 1 5k minus 3. Okay, putting those into 2 brackets, we end up with k plus 1 and 5k minus 3. Our 2 values then from this bracket, k is minus 1, and from this bracket, k is 3/5. Okay, so these are 2 values. Next thing we do then is go on and sketch a little graph. So, positive squared, so a U shape, and then we've got our 2 values of minus 1 and 3/5 there. Now we know that it's less than 0, so it's going to be below. So it's going to be either in here or outside these 2 parts. So I'm going to try inside again. I'm going to try this time. We'll do x is 0 again. Nice easy one. Like on the first question I did of these. So going down there, I'm going to try x is 0. So I'm going to try x equals 0 to see if this works. So I'm going to put x equals 0 into this. So I get 5 times 0 squared plus 2 times 0 minus 3 is less than 0. Now, don't worry about them being k's, just take them. I'm calling them x's and mix some x's and k's up, same kind of thing, okay? Same thing. So we get 5 plus 0 minus 3, so minus 3 is less than 0. Yep, that is true, so that works, okay? So this 0 one works. Now we know then it's in this middle part. We know it's below, so it's got to be this section here. So remember, separate sections mean separate inequalities, but this isn't separate. Okay, this is together. So we need to write it as minus 1 k is greater than minus 1, but it's less than 3/5. Okay, so k has got to be greater than minus 1, but it's got to be less than 3/5. Now there's no equals on here, like there's no equals in the question. That's our final answer there.